When you need to transition between two hard surface floors that are the same height, the Schluter Reno T is a great solution. Reno T is installed in an existing joint cavity and overlaps the two floors while protecting tile edges. The profile is typically used in retrofit applications. It is available in a variety of materials and finishes. Need to create curves? In some materials, the profile is flexible so that you can produce those designs. All of these features make Reno T a great choice when transitioning between same-height floors. We all know that planning is important with any tile installation. It's even more critical when working with profiles. It's the key to a successful project. In our demonstration, the tile and hardwood flooring have already been installed. Reno T will be installed as the transition profile between the two floors. We selected the Reno T size according to the joint width. This will make sure that the profile is properly supported. In addition to tile setting tools, we will need to choose the proper tools to cut the profiles. This will depend on what material the profile is made of. For the Reno T in aluminum, we will be using a miter saw with a non-ferrous blade. Aluminum profiles can also be cut using a variable speed angle grinder with the Schluter ProCut TSM cutting wheel. Another option is to simply use a hacksaw with a bimetal blade. With the planning complete, let's prepare for installation. We will install the Reno T between the existing tile and hardwood floors. In order to get proper adhesion, make sure that the joint cavity is clean and free of debris. Measure where the Reno T profile will be installed. Then, transfer the measurement to the profile. We will be making a miter cut where the profiles meet. Remember to always observe all safety instructions and standards. We cut the Reno T using a miter saw with a non-ferrous blade. For best results, cut the profiles slowly. An accurate cut ensures a clean transition. Then, file the cut end of the profile to remove any burrs. Dry fit the profiles. Now we can move on to the installation. First, fill the joint with CertiFix or similar adhesive. Then, insert the Reno T into the joint. The profile must rest completely on the edges of the two surface coverings. Install the next piece of Reno T the same way, taking care to align the profiles, paying special attention to where the profiles meet. Don't forget to clean any excess adhesive from the profile immediately, using an appropriate cleaner. This will avoid any damage to the finish. The Reno T installation is now complete. As you can see, the Reno T profile is the perfect solution when you need to transition between same-height hard surface floor coverings. Another great innovation from Schluter Systems.